So, this is a Boxingwolf development behind the scenes. Hello. So, that is the computer I use. You'll notice it's a Mac. I have a virtual machine running Windows. Yeah, I think I'm going to do more of these sort of dev behind the scenes. You're not going to see much of new games, but you are going to see new games. You're going to see code, probably a lot of it, actually. But yeah, right now, we're going to go in, and we're going to begin making the first DLC for Infinitum Legends. So, we've got VirtualBox up and running. And this is legitimately where I code everything. Everything is programmed in... I would love it if this just went away. Thank you. So this is where I program everything. This virtual machine. It's all programmed here. Nope, not there. There. Microsoft Visual Basic 2010 Express. Let's turn down the brightness, see if that changes anything about the focus. Probably not, though. No. Okay, so I'm just going to turn my brightness back up so I can see. So, let's open it up. I just realized we're not going to need that for now. You're going to need this. This is the custom-made DLC creator. I programmed it for Infinitum Legends, and it was originally programmed for the Expanse, but I upgraded it heavily. Like, seriously heavy upgrades. So, while it's not really adding any new content, while it's not really adding any new content other than text, it does look like it is. So, basically, to create a new enemy, this is how it works. I mean, I don't even know if I should be showing you this. But, basically, you do enemy, and health. Let's say we want it. No, let's make it like a human or something. Damage, let's go 15. Slightly stronger than the player. Give him a challenge. And we'll call it human. Boom. Then it tells me to save it somewhere. Save it as human. Now, you'll notice it's multi-line, so I could do humans, then dogs and cats and whatever, and it would all fit in the same file. I know this is a crude video. I do have a screen recorder, but I'm not really, I can't splice that together very well with video recorded from my phone, so. So we're going to load DLC now. The file name does not happen to be DLC. It is, in fact, human. There it is. Boom, 23 bytes. These DLCs are tiny, because they're just text. In fact, I might as well... I've made a whole bunch of DLCs that aren't going to be released, and this is one of them, in fact. But we're just going to load that one instead. Oh, I think I just placed a mine. Anyway. Explore. So now we should be able to stumble upon a human. Nope. Nope. It's entirely luck-based. It's just by chance. They'll be mixed in with the other 220 something enemies. Okay, so in my search I was able to find one. Oh no, the focus. You stupid. Boom, a human has appeared. X to fight. So I've actually left it because I was just spamming buttons to try and get past all the other crap to get to the human. But you can see that the DLC does work. You can attempt to tame the human. And you can do everything you would do with a normal enemy. But it's DLC. There is no limit to... That was actually only licensed for the game, because I put it in the credits. I should probably turn that off for my YouTube video. So, that's how DLC is going to work in this game. There is no limit on how big the DLCs can be. They can hold as many enemies as we feel is necessary, and as many whatever, like anything. Well, not it's only enemies, but that's really the only piece of DLC that you'd need. So yeah, on to another thing. So this is code for a day-night cycle in an upcoming game. I'm not telling you what that game is. Come on, focus. Focus on my finger. Okay. So, this is all the code that we have right now for this game. And, yeah, that's that. I suppose I could give you a little sneak peek. Boom, happiness. This is interesting. That's, okay, I should probably explain that. uTorrent, that was downloaded on me. Like, I left my computer open one day. One of my friends downloaded it for me. Which is mean. You know, I'm going to delete it. See, why? Okay, even if I was a torrenter, alright? This is my virtual machine. Why would I need to torrent on a virtual machine? Basic Express is free. Boom. And you gone. This is Ice. It's a game I was working on for a while. It didn't do as well as I hoped it would, if I'm going to be completely honest, but, yeah, you try stuff. What? Play a little bit myself. Let's turn physics off. If you haven't tried this game, I'd recommend going to my GameJolt page and trying it out. My GameJolt page can, of course, be accessed from my website, which can, of course, be accessed by the YouTube channel. Although I'm assuming if you have reached the YouTube channel, you've been to this site, so just go back there, and you should find the GameJolt page on the home page, next to the YouTube button. And you can download this game in this state, I believe. I think I'm going to stop updating it. It never really got to a full, really, really good, really stable release like I wanted it to. But I mean, I couldn't really think of anything else to add, and it was still in mid-beta, and I knew that people wanted more, but I didn't know how to add more, so. And I think this was kind of annoying as well. Instead of... because I'd need to implement like a safety system for letters if I were to do it the other way, but basically when you press enter and you're in the middle of a box, then it changes the size of your selection. But if you are, like, let's say you're here, it's not going to change. You need to press enter to change, which is inconvenient and slow. And of course, it's not really like, wouldn't be all that crazy difficult to implement a system for, as you go along, it changes. But I would need to implement a system where if you type a character, right, that would just crash the game. And I'm not even joking about that. That would throw an error and crash. So I'd either do a try or something like that. I don't know. But yeah, so that's that. One thing you'll notice about Infinitum is the project name. Project name is the Expanse X Chronicles, and the reason for that is because originally Infinitum, the original Infinitum, was going to be a sequel to the Expanse. It's going to be called the Expanse X Chronicles. But then I added so much that it was almost like a spiritual successor instead of a regular sequel, so I named it as such. Then for the second Infinitum game, Infinitum Legends, I just, I updated. It was basically like a 2.0 of the original Infinitum, and it was based completely on the original game. That's why you can sometimes see that Windows just say Infinitum instead of Infinitum Legends, because those are the things that I overlooked, apparently. Which sucks. Look at that. Great. Right. Another thing I'm going to start doing on this YouTube channel, I might do some tutorials, like how to code certain things in Visual Basic, and stuff like that. I'm definitely going to be more active, is what I'm trying to say. Trying to what I'm say. Anyway. That's enough. What? No. What? Goodbye. That's enough of that. Give you a quick glance at those files with those blurry names that you've probably already seen. There you go. Good night. And that's it. So, let me know in the comments section. First off, I'd appreciate it if you leave a like so that more people can come and see, because apparently that's how YouTube works now. It's not about how good your content is, it's about a whole bunch of numbers. But yeah, that's that. Leave a like, leave a comment. I do have a gaming channel. It's called Legend Slayer, and I do post rather frequently. And now, I also have a second channel that is in addition to that gaming channel, called Ultimate Internet Failure. It's pretty hilarious. Not because of me. You'll see. And that's that, so, yeah. Thanks.